still need some sort of mechanism to
freight's coming out.
It is. Basically, it's still not picking up. Any one of those things would work. Yeah, well, the wing guy was in a wheelchair, so we needed the full mission so we could get him out.
That's that blue one.
How long is it?
Oh!
It's harder and harder to do and that's why we go in out this way too. I mean, for years I climbed underneath things.
Up goes a dolly.
Let's go see what he's up to.
Facing the right way. About these, put in the comments. I'm curious about this.
That's some more time.
I know.
Where you get those big tall buildings.
I know. Made sure to get a good shot, I promise. But they even have some Imperial stuff. Hey guys, Andy here. Those are just clips from the train show. So I'm gonna show you guys the little haul that I got from there. Let's do it. Okay, let's start this with some of the first things that I got. They're all Walkmans, so I'm not gonna be opening them. I got Assault Wagon. Terrace, which comes with the phone, and a brick band. I think they're pretty cool. The next one that I got was a wooden railway thumper. This is like kind of messy, kind of accurate actually. I think it's pretty cool. The 2015 Coldie. It's really cool. So I'm gonna be opening this one. There we go. Here he is. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, sure, there's not the accurate slope body and stuff, but I still think it's cool. I got the 2005 yearbook. Yeah, and the crowning jewel of it all, which is honestly the favorite thing that I've got this time. A wooden railway Boko. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, but there's no place I can get them for cheap. I got this for 18, and I think it's pretty good. And I'm also going to be opening this. And it's probably gonna take a while, so I'm gonna cut now and come back when he's out of the box. And here we go. That took a couple minutes. So here he is. I am really excited to get this. Thank you to my parents, which one's right here. Hello. So here's Boko. I'm really proud to put this in my collection. I'm gonna here's a character card. Gonna read it. Although Boko might often put up with antics of Bill and Ben, he is one of the kindest diesel engines on Sodor. Yep. So, with that, so that is that's the haul. I'm gonna show you a quick little tour of the hotel room that I'm staying in. Here he is. Here we go. So here's the TV and stuff. Here's chair. That my mom. Have this mini fridge. Here's my bed. My computer. And here's the in here place closet, bathroom. Got a candle in here too. Smells good. Oh, good. Right here. Yeah. That's what my camera looks like. So yeah. So yeah, that's my little adventure at the train show and hotel. So I guess I'll see you guys in another vlog.